how to find post videos and photos you liked on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find post videos and photos you liked on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here once you are inside the settings section, just tap on the search bar at top and simply type activity log and tap on it. And now here once you are inside the activity log, what you have to do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as your Facebook activity. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as comments and reaction. So there just tap on manage comments and reaction, and after that on the next page what you have to do is just tap on the filters option at the top, and after that you simply have to select the categories. And now here on the next page or next pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on like and reaction, and after that you'll see the post and the videos that you have liked on the Facebook. So here you can just tap on any item to open it, unlike it, or even review it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.